Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be building a simple blanket ladder out of some scrap wood I have left over from my last project. I have this 2x2 and a few 1x4s right here. Now this is not going to be your typical 6-foot blanket ladder. This one's only going to be about 4 feet tall since I only have one of these boards, but it's going to be perfect for where I'm going to be placing the ladder in my house. Now if you would like to do the 6 or the 4 foot, I will put a cut list below for both sizes so you can choose which one fits better in your situation. The other good thing about this project is you don't need to have power tools. I'm going to be using my miter saw because it's right here and I already have it set up. If you don't have any kind of power tool, you can always use a pull saw or a razor saw. I will put a link in the description below for this particular one since this is one I use all the time and I absolutely love it. The other tools that you're going to be using are the basics. You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need measuring tape, you're going to need eye protection, clamps, and a level to make sure everything's leveled. We're also not going to be using wood screws or wood nails. I'm going to be using wood glue because this is strong enough to hold your blankets up on your ladder. You don't need anything stronger than that. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started.